Today on the menu, something simple, budget-friendly, and absolutely perfect for those fasting days. We're making lentil patties with homemade mashed potatoes. No meat, no dairy, just pure plant power, and trust me, you won't miss a thing. No fancy ingredients, just what you got at home. In a pot, we add 300 grams of lentils, 2 medium potatoes, 1 red onion, and 2 carrots. Let them cook, no stress, just let it all come together. In another pot, we boil the potatoes for the mash. Whole, chopped, doesn't matter, we're not writing a thesis here. Once everything's cooked, we drain the lentils and toss them in a bowl. The onion goes in the blender for a smoother vibe, but hey, if you're feeling a bit wild, mash it by hand. It's kind of like a mini workout. We mash it all up until it's a nice even mixture. Then flavor time. Salt, pepper, a little seasoning magic, 2 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons cornmeal, and breadcrumbs. Just enough to keep them together. A pinch of turmeric for that golden glow, a tablespoon of soy sauce because, flavor depth, and a couple tablespoons of oats plus a splash of oil. We mash it all up until it's a nice even mixture. Fresh parsley at the end because we're fancy like that. Mix it all until it holds its shape. If it's too runny, no big deal, just add more breadcrumbs or flour. We're not here for perfection, just tasty survival. Heat up a pan, a little oil, and shape those patties. Fry them on medium heat, golden outside, soft inside. If they fall apart, no stress, just add more breadcrumbs or flour. Cooking is all about improvising, right? And now the mashed potatoes. While they're still warm, mash them until creamy. Add a bit of seasoning, a little margarine. No milk today, keeping it fully fasting friendly. Then here's the trick. We give the mash a quick fry in the pan, just 1 minute. Crispy edges, all the charm. And that's it. A simple, delicious, fully plant-based meal. Perfect for fasting days, but honestly good anytime you need a big meal. Serve it, take a bite, and suddenly fasting doesn't seem so tough.